Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP LaserJet Pro MFP M126 printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to locate or search for HP LaserJet Pro MFP and then space M126. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be a support.hp.com webpage here. Go ahead and select that. And then you want to scroll down on this page and you want to select the full software and driver package here and the download button. Once it's downloaded to your computer, you want to go ahead and open up that file. It should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Once you open it up, if you get a user account control prompt, you do want to select yes for that. Hewlett Packard Company, select yes, and then let this begin. And then select next, and then you have to agree to the license terms and then just continue here. And then you should be good to go. Again, just follow along with the on-screen directions here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.